Welcome. And today I'm going to show how to autosave private chat media to your gallery on Telegram using the updated settings. If you often receive photos or videos in private chats and want them to appear automatically in your phone's gallery, this setting can save you a lot of time. Instead of manually downloading each file, Telegram can handle it for you in the background, so your important media is always easier to find. First, open Telegram on your phone. In the top left corner, tap the menu icon, or if you're using the newer layout, tap your profile icon. This will open the main menu where all the app settings are located. Next, tap on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings page, scroll through the options until you find Data and Storage. This is where Telegram keeps its data saving and media-related controls, so this is the section you need. Now tap Data and Storage and look for the Save to Gallery choice option. Inside that menu, you'll see different categories for media saving. To make Telegram automatically save media from your private chats, simply toggle on Private Chats. Once this is enabled, any photos or videos you receive in private chats can be saved directly to your gallery automatically, depending on your device and Telegram's current behavior. This is especially useful if you want quick access to personal media without digging through chat files later. If you don't see the change right away, make sure Telegram has the proper storage permissions on your phone. Also remember that gallery folders can sometimes be organized differently depending on whether you're using Android or iPhone. And that's it. In just a few taps, you can turn on autosaving for private chat media and keep your Telegram files much more organized. If this helped, make sure to check your other Telegram storage settings too, because there are a few more useful options hidden in there.